Hi everyone. Today I'll talk about project number 2. First, I'll go through the implementation. At the beginning, I imported all the libraries and all the functions needed to encoding the data. Then next, I read in the data using read CSV, and then I add in the columns name for the data. Now I have a data frame with the column names and all the data. Next, I check to see if there's any missing value in the data. We don't have anything right now. I check the shape of the data frame. Then I draw the duplicate for the data. Now we can check the data frame again. We can see that a lot of records was dropped. Then I check the data type of the object in the data frame. And the reason I do that is because I want to convert all the columns with integers into float. So this is how I convert integer into float for those columns. Now I only have object data type and float data type. The reason for the float data type is because it will help avoiding integer division when we do normalization. Now I encoding the output feature, the outcome columns, into 0 and 1, 0 for normal connection and 1 for attack. Then I apply label encoding for categorical feature. And then I apply normalization z-score to numeric features. This point I check if there's any missing values. I see that these numbers show that there must be a column that has all missing value in it. So I am looking for that column. I drop that column and I check missing data again. And as we can see, we don't have any more missing values. Then I split the input and the output features into X and Y. Now I will start training using fully connected neural networks. I do X and Y split into train and test. Then I use for loop to train the models with a sequential model using activation values. Because this is a classification problem, so I use categorical cross entropy, and the optimizer I use either Atom and SGD. So in this case, I use SGD. And you can see that the value loss is quite high. And the result is very good. And here I am plotting the confusion matrix. As you can see, the number wasn't good. The graph show a very bad result. Now I will train using the CNN model. For CNN model, the input feature has to be a 4-dimensional. So I reshape the X value into an image type. And I split the data into train and test. I make the batch size, define the dimension, and then train it with a loop of 5. use a combination of convolution layer, max pooling, and drop out. The output layer has to be 2 because this is a binary classification problem. You categorical cross entropy and add-on for optimizer in this case. I also use early stopping to prevent overfitting the model. And the result is quite good. And then I calculate the numbers for the confusion matrix. And the results look very good. About task division, I am doing this project by myself. So I don't have any task division, but I find that training the model takes a lot of time. So I am thinking about reinstalling Anaconda Jupyter Notebook and TensorFlow to be able to run using GPUs to see if there's any better. And that's it. Thank you for watching.